I will show you how to create these deckled edges on the watercolor paper. This is something I do if I am not going to use a frame. So for example, cards, it's beautiful. I start off by measuring where to rip the paper. So I use this passepartout cut in 2 halves. So I start measuring, and this can be a while, just trying out different layouts. Marking with a pen. And then to the fun part. I use a steel ruler for this. If you don't have one, you can also use a dough scraper. You can see me use one in other videos. So the key is adding pressure to the ruler and then rip the paper. So this is easiest to do when you have some paper to get a grip of. Tiny strips will be difficult. And that's about it. And these leftover strips can be used for bookmarks, for example. Maybe you want to paint them on the back side, put a little tassel in it or something. If you have any questions about watercolor painting, just ask them in the comment. Maybe I can do a video about it. Have a nice day!